Let's go. We'll do things your way today. Let's go. We'll do things your way today. Let's go. We'll do things your way today. Trust your instincts. I'll handle the rest. Let's go. We'll do things your way today. Who else is on your list? I'd be happy to help. Remember what I taught you. The most effective threat is the one you don't act upon. Who else is on your list? I'd be happy to help. Trust your instincts. I'll handle the rest. Let's go. We'll do things your way today. Conscience. I don't waste my time on meaningless luxuries like that. Did you have fun? All right then. Let's put an end to this charade. You. Why do you ask? Since you've said that, I'm curious about who you see. If it's me, I'll be happy. And if it's not, I'll just replace them. What are you planning to do to me this time? What kind of odd request is this? All right then. Sylus, do you want to be my greatest achievement this year? Sylus, just you wait. I'll show you. Isn't it obvious? I'm imitating a certain Dragon Lee. She's a feisty kitten. Do you actually believe something like this would work on me? I threw out the predator who broke into that base a few days ago. You were there too? Don't tell me you forgot about it already. Do you actually believe falsely accused? I'll just commit the crime in that case. Then the accusations won't be false. I can also track down the source of the rumors and deal with it directly. There are plenty of ways to handle these things. You're assuming anyone would dare to try in the first place. Life after becoming a mafia boss. Why do you have that look on your face? Do you want me to read this book? Or are you hoping I'll help make your dream of becoming a mafia boss a reality? I would never throw someone to the sharks just because they were in my way. Isn't maintaining order on the streets part of your job description? The book was correct about one thing. People like us tend to keep the treasure we value for ourselves. The interrogation room is filled with your scent. Are you marking your territory? Are you implying I'm attracted to a fierce, untamed fragrance? Now there's a hint of boldness and uninhibited freedom. It's more complex than a blend of spices. It looks like I'm stained in your scent as well. Life after... Do you want me to read? Sure. From now on, you can be the shadow leader of Night Strix. You can do that. I'll just build a new one if you do. For an organization that claims to be legitimate and suits your position, how does Purus or Palus sound? I'll make sure to savor every moment.